I'm going to be posting 100 videos in 100 days. Welcome to my accountability video number 2. And 95 videos to go. I have posted 5 videos in the last 5 days. And in this video, I'm going to take you through my thought process of what I'm trying to achieve in the next 100 days, how, and also I'm going to actually take you to my YouTube channel so you can see what has been happening or not in the last 5 days. Now, when I started this process in December, before I got sick and had to shelve the whole thing yet another time, I was thinking, what is it that I want to try to achieve in those 100 days once I start posting? And my first thought was, oh, I want to monetize and etc. And I could just tell that this thought process was not going to get me through the, day 35, when I'm feeling like I cannot be posting another video, like this is not going anywhere, this is not for me, when the doubts set in, because I've gone through this quite a few times, as you can tell. Then I thought, okay, so the next 100 days are going to be about something else, but regarding the monetization, if it happens, brilliant. If it doesn't happen, brilliant, because I'm going to give myself 365 days to monetize it. If not, I'm going to give myself, another 365 days. I don't care. I'm going to do this until it works. Moment of vulnerability. I have started this channel 6 years ago. I'm going to cry. 6 years ago, I started this channel. You can see some of the videos, they're not very good. But had I continued, even posting once per week, I would have had, 300 videos. Can you believe that? I would have had a monetized channel. I'm sorry, I can't even. This is crazy. And YouTube is my favorite platform, and YouTube is the place where I want to be. I love recording these videos. Like, these videos are my favorite thing to do. I could talk like this for 24 hours without tiring. I absolutely love it. And then I've gone the full circle around all the other platforms. I've had success. I've made money. I'm still making money. I'm a full-time online coach and course creator. But YouTube, something that I absolutely always wanted to do the most, I didn't. So if I were to have therapy, which I'm not at the moment, I think my therapist would have something to say about this, like, I don't know, self-sabotage or something. In any case, I want to become, and if you decide to join me in these 100 days, 100 videos, then we're going to become persons who post every single day. For example, my children are actually about to show up any second now from school. That's because of recording this 4th time. And then the 3rd time, I recorded the perfect video, only to find out that I didn't actually wipe my camera, so it's all kind of grainy and horrid. So I'm starting again. I want to become the person for whom it is not posting is not an option. So far, I've tried 3 times. I have not had this mindset. My mindset was always, oh, let's post a video and then let's monetize. Let's monetize in 2 weeks. Let's monetize in 3 weeks. Where did that get me? 6 years of not monetizing my channel, because I have other channels that I've tried. Now, no. I've given myself all the time I need, but a discipline, because I am disciplined. I can do this. Discipline to do this every single day. Number 2, I want to exercise my posting muscle. I'm active on other platforms. I post every day without even thinking about it. The content comes. It's easy. So I want to come to that point on YouTube where I can do my research without getting a headache, without doing my research without being overwhelmed completely, without thinking that everyone else is doing a better job than me. Do you get that feeling? I get that feeling a lot, that everyone else is monetized apart from me. And everyone else is getting monetized. It's like in like 5 minutes. It's only me who's taking forever. So I've now stopped watching those videos, number one. Number two, I don't care. And I celebrate everyone's success. I do this anyway. I'm glad when someone monetizes their channel in 2 weeks, but I've stopped myself thinking, oh, but why not me? Well, it's just not you at the moment because you're not posting consistently. They've posted consistently. That's why they're monetized. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm exercising my posting muscle. I also want to get to the point, I also want to get to the point where my posting routine is much easier. Because right now I get, my glasses are so crooked. Because right now I get so flustered with, oh gosh, I need to create my YouTube, my thumbnail, and then, oh, what's the title? I've decided on a title, but that's not really a good title. And then I go to, I don't know, whichever AI, and then it says, oh, it's a great title. The other AI says, that's a really bad title. So I get all worked up about it. So I want to get to the point where I make these decisions in a calm, collected manner, but also where I don't spend 7 hours doing it. Where I mean, I'm not spending 7 hours doing it now, but when I don't spend a long time doing it, I want to have it like streamlined. So that's what I'm doing with these 100 days. I'll be delighted if you wanted to join me. Yes, if you'd like to say something in the comments, say 100 days challenge. I don't have a challenge, but maybe I can create one. 100-day challenge, and let's go and do it together. I have loads of tips. I'll share this as well. I actually helped other people monetize their channels, but I haven't done it myself. Just because I have not been disciplined enough to post every day, or every week, or however many times. Anyway, now we're going to go to my YouTube channel, and you can have a look what's been happening the last 5 days. So welcome to my YouTube channel. I need to explain a couple of things here first. This is my YouTube channel that I created 6 years ago. As I've already said, I have a few other YouTube channels, all abandoned, all equally abandoned, but I've decided to use this one because I have my old videos here, some of my old videos, some videos that I'm less embarrassed about sharing. They're not great videos. You're allowed to watch them, obviously, and have a little laugh. And I've left them here as a testament to one's decidedness to make it, and also to say that it is okay if it didn't work out 6 years ago, and then 5 years ago, and then 3 years ago. It will work out now, so don't worry. And I also left those videos so I can watch them and remember that I have gathered so much knowledge. I've made quite a bit of money. I've realized my dream of staying at home and being a full-time mom to my children, so I absolutely love that. So here it says I have 353 subscribers. That is a lie. Those are old subscribers. These are not new subscribers. I have not gathered any subscribers in the last 5 days. But I'm vain. What can I tell you? I'm vain. And even though I know these are not new subscribers, I like this number. Anyway, so let's go into the YouTube studio so I can share with you all the particulars. Content, I'm presuming that's where it is, here. So I published my first video, first video this year, on January the 18th. I have 7 views, 0 comments. Here I have 9 views and 1 comment. I think that's me. I think that's my comment. The next video has, has 1 view. Another one has 1 view. I actually should do all the pinned comments here as well, which I will. And the one from yesterday has got 2 views. Great. So I've also decided to view these numbers as phenomenal numbers. I know that once I have like 3 or 4 zeros after these numbers, things will definitely look better, but I don't care. I'm grateful for every single one of these views. And if you are one of those people, thank you so much. I appreciate you and I appreciate your time here. I appreciate you being here on this video. So that's my mindset going into it. And I tell you, from coaching literally hundreds of clients, what I've learned is that actually, unless you've got this sort of mindset going forward, no amount of strategy will help you. Like, strategy comes and goes and it's great, and but unless you've got the mindset of this is working, this is for me, I'm making this happen, come hell or high water, it's not going to work. So yes, I will keep you updated. I will keep you updated about everything that's happening on this channel and everything that's not happening on this channel, all of my successes and all of my disappointments, so I can take you on this journey with me, and hopefully some of you may even join me. In the meantime, have a great day, and thank you for being here.